Apple Watch SE, the new mid-range Apple Watch. The Apple Watch SE is a hybrid of the Apple Watch Series 5, which has since been discontinued, and the Apple Watch Series 3. The $279 smartwatch doesn't have all the Series 6 patch features, but it still stands out for its speedy chip and safety features. It also offers an LTE option, making it a good choice for those interested in trying out family setup. When choosing between the Apple Watch 7 versus Apple Watch SE, your ultimate decision will be if you want to spend an extra $120 for a brighter display with an always-on option, an ECG monitor, and an bigger display. If those tools aren't deal breakers for you, the SE is a highly capable option for iPhone users. The specifications in a nutshell are: it has two size variants, that's 40mm and 44mm. The battery life is 18 hours. It has GPS, it's swim proof, it has heart rate monitor, it has optional LTE, it supports mobile payments, that's Apple Pay, and it's compatible with iOS. The reasons to buy are classic design, huge app library, and large screen. And the reasons to avoid are no ECG, no always-on display. The Apple Watch 3 $199 worth remains a very good value as well, although the Apple Watch SE $279 worth is a better option worth checking out. The SE is a hybrid model lacking high-end health features and an always-on display, but it still has a compass, fall detection, and GPS. Both are often discounted thanks to the best Apple Watch deals. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends and check the description box below to get all the products we have listed here in a discount price. And check the description box below to get the product in a discount price.